Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand that in Power BI, filtering of the data can be done in three ways. The first is filters on this visual, this one. Second is filters on this page. Third is filter on all pages. To understand the first option, we will create two visuals in Power BI. So let's create the pie chart first. In Legend, pick up the region. In Values, we will drop the sales. So our pie chart is ready. Now let's create the second visual, the funnel chart. In Category, drag and drop the subcategory. In Values, pick up the profit. Next is we only want to do the filtering on pie chart, and this filtering should not be reflected in the funnel. So activate the pie chart, and here activate the pie chart. Just a minute. And in this, filter on this visual, pick up the segment and drop it here. Not on this page or all on page. Filters on this visual, drop here. The basic filtering is activated. Now, whatever changes which you will make here, it will not be reflected on the funnel chart because we have gone for the first option. Click on it. So it displays about the consumer, corporate, home office. When you activate filtering on visual, filtering done on one visual is not reflected on the another visual. Moreover, different variables can be used in both the visuals to filter the data. So here we are using the segment. Here let's pick up the another categorical variable to do the filtering. So we will pick up the region and drop it into the filter on this visual. Now select central. See the changes. These changes appear only in the funnel chart, not in the pie chart. South, west. So this is all about how to use filters on visuals in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share these videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.